Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection tab to try on your iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, go back your TikTok app. So guys, firstly make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Next method, open the settings apps on your iPhone and scroll down. Now tap on general. Type software update. Make sure that your phone software is updated. If not updated, so guys, first of all, update your iPhone iPad software update and go back. Now tap on iPhone storage and scroll down. Type TikTok app. So guys, your TikTok app, reinstall app and install it again and go back. Last method, then restart your device. Solve your problem. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.